Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. If you're looking for a way to organize your business, manage tasks, and keep track of important notes, Evernote is a fantastic tool to streamline your workflow. Today, we'll go over how to use Evernote for business organization and make the most of its features. Let's get started. 1. Creating and organizing notebooks. Use notebooks to categorize your notes by project, client, or department. Keep everything structured by grouping related notes together. Use stacked notebooks for a more hierarchical organization. 2. Capturing and managing notes. Jot down ideas, meeting minutes, or business plans in real time. Attach images, PDFs, voice memos, and documents for better context. Use tags to categorize and find notes faster. 3. Collaborating with teams. Share notebooks and notes with team members for seamless collaboration. Use Evernote's real-time editing to work together on projects. Assign tasks and due dates within Notes to keep track of progress. 4. Syncing across devices. Access your notes anywhere on desktop, mobile, or web. Changes update instantly across all devices for real-time access. Stay productive whether you're in the office or on the go. 5. Integrating with other business tools. Connect Evernote with Slack, Google Drive, Outlook, and Zapier for enhanced productivity. Save emails, web pages, and important documents directly into Evernote. Automate tasks and workflows to save time. Evernote makes business organization effortless, helping you stay focused and efficient. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips. See you in the next one.